It's already been third week of Easter. And for you who are already quite observant, you might have noticed that the appearances of Jesus, the risen Christ, no, has been a little bit tough, no. Wa din siya tuuhi ba nga nabanhaw siya, nabuhi siya. There's a lot of testimonies that is very much needed in order for the disciples to believe. Isn't it that's also the kind of life we will also somehow ato sa ning masinati sa atong kinabuhi ba, we are not easily di din tatuuhan. Daghan pa kay tagbuhaton usa tatuuhan. Yeah, it's true that to change for the better is not that easy, but all the more difficult to prove that I am already a changed person. All the more difficult. Why do I start with this kind of point? Because I am being struck with this line in our gospel reading today. What sign can you do that we may see and believe in you? What can you do? It is as if prove to us, convince us. And again, it's difficult to change for the better, but it is more difficult to convince others that I am already changed. I happened to watch a movie, an animation, The Bad Guys. And there's a part there, no, that these bad guys can turn into good guys. No? And mo gipaning kamutan sa salida. But eventually, there's that change after all. Di lang dayon diha mabantayan. Kay grabe man gyud kabugoy adtong mga characters. But there's that change in them. And as I ponder, brothers and sisters, you might argue, I might be wrong, but as I try to reflect, as I try to discern, Lord, what could be a good sign that this person is a changed person to some extent? O dili na tingay kinahanglan pa ipamugos ang kaugalingon, tuuhil iko nausab nako. Maybe there is naay duha ka butang na ako na pamalandungan. For me to be convinced that I am already a changed person and to be invited to change for the better, one is a changed person for me is that he or she is capable of acknowledging that this change that happened to him or to her is not of his or her own making. There is a God who pushes him, who gives him or her the grace to be a changed person. Because that's the line in today's gospel. It was not Moses who gave you the bread from heaven. My Father gives you the true bread from heaven. For me, an acknowledgement that there is someone higher than me who is God, who make this change possible. Yan ako'y kasinatian ani sa iluag mataas ni akong walya. Na ako'y mas kasinatian ani usa kapag umangkon nya nakabantay siya siyang lolo, himatyo naman gyud to. Grabe gyud to ka bugoy. Nya ilang gi pahilugan na arang-arang. Karon na arang-arang yun noon, no? Naulian niya. Ayay, kusog naman gid bulaag noon. Pero what really strikes me, o sa ila natandog sila, musimba na. Di lang magsabak. Laagan, siyaw gyapon, pero naliskay na ulian. Pero mao'y nakapatandog nila, musimba na. The second thing that for me, a changed person, no matter how di siya tuuhan nga nausab na siya, is the attitude of Stephen in the first reading. I hope dili na kinahanglan ang usa ka tawo nga ipamugos, ibandira, isangyaw, nausab na ko, ipakita sa buhat. Like the attitude of Stephen when he said, "Lord, do not hold this sin against them." Lord, do not hold this sin against them. Kamauna mo angkon, di na diha nga mo pasangil or mo blame dayon, nganong naingunani ko, nganong nabati ko. There is that moving on to always see the better and the positive side of life. A changed person is, for me, that has that kind of attitude, knows how to care even if di na kinahanglan suguon pa. As we continue in this Eucharist, that small host is the bread from heaven for us who wants to be changed and who are convinced that he or she is a changed person. Hopefully, we will, as we receive him, we will be persevering, courageous enough. Kung unsa ni atong nasugdan, atong padayon.